good old snapped bolt. We'll get that sucker out. Satisfying. Race. 1 bolt out. 1 bolt out. I probably should have explained better how I did that. You need like an easy out or a screw extractor kit. First, you need to pin punch the center of the bolt. I didn't do that. I just took a chance and it worked. Drill down, left hand thread drill bit, central as possible. You got to get down pretty deep so you can get the screw extractor in there. And then once you drill deep into the bolt, then you tap this into the bolt and then unscrew it basically. So the way this is shaped, this will grip into the hole that you drilled, and then you can just gently get it out. So it doesn't always work, but it's better than slowly drilling out the bolt and then having to recut threads or helicoil and stuff like that. So yeah, I guess that's a tech tip. So hopefully you don't have to do it. Hopefully you don't snap any bolts, because it's not fun, but if you know what you're doing, it's pretty straightforward.